Hello. This is iMobie. This video will help you learn how to effectively manage or customize the voice effect library and adjust voice parameters with Vozard. First, please open Vozard. Then you can select real-time voice changer or file voice changer modes to enter your voice. You can select the sound effect you want here, such as classic, AI voice, background, meme, my sounds. You can easily find your favorite sound effects by clicking here. Select a sound effect you like. The software will automatically pop up the sound effect configuration. You can click here to turn it off. Let's test the sound effect.
Hello.
If you want music to liven up the atmosphere, you can click the background and turn on this background button and select your favorite background music to listen to. If you want to change the properties of the sound, distortion effect and so on, you can make changes here and click Save to Mine to save. Enter a name and click Save. Then click My Sound to view it. If you need to switch to another sound effect, just click on the sound effect.